How do reality shows follow child labor laws? Imagine a world where kids are on camera almost every day, but no one is quite sure if they are breaking any rules. That's what makes understanding how reality shows follow child labor laws so tricky. Unlike actors in movies or scripted TV shows, kids on reality programs are often seen as participants, not employees. That means many of the usual protections don't automatically apply. At the federal level, the Fair Labor Standards Act, or FLSA, sets rules for child labor. But it explicitly exempts child actors and performers from many of its regulations. So, if a child appears on a reality show, some say they are not really working in the traditional sense. Others argue that since they are on camera and performing, they should be protected like actors. This gray area creates confusion about what rules actually apply. States have their own laws, and these can be very different from one place to another. Some states requiring child labor permits for minors appearing in commercial productions, including reality TV. These permits often come with rules about how many hours children can work, when they can work, and the conditions they must be in. For example, some states restrict children from working more than a few hours a day or during school hours. They also requiring that children be supervised by parents or guardians during filming. However, enforcement of these laws isn't always strict. Some states have minimal regulations, and others don't have specific rules for reality TV at all. That means some productions might follow the law closely, while others might not. Networks and production companies often say they are complying by limiting children's work hours, getting parental consent, and making sure kids don't miss too much school. They might also restrict filming to certain times of day to protect the children's well-being. Despite these efforts, many industry experts describe the environment as somewhat unregulated. Because reality TV is often filmed in a documentary style and involves real interactions, applying traditional child labor laws becomes complicated. Producers have to balance legal rules with the practicalities of filming real-life situations. They usually relying on parents and voluntary guidelines rather than strict law enforcement. In the end, the way reality shows follow child labor laws is a patchwork of federal exemptions, state-specific rules, and industry practices. The lack of consistent standards means protections for children can vary widely. This ongoing debate highlights the need for clearer laws tailored specifically to the unique nature of reality television and its young participants.